Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's quick tutorial, I will show you exactly how to stabilize your shaky video footage using VN Video Editor step by step. So whether you recorded a vlog, a travel clip or any handheld footage that came out shaky, stabilizing it can actually make a big difference. VN is absolutely free and powerful editor, and while it doesn't have a one-click stabilizing button like other application, there is still a way to fix any shaky footage and make your video look smoother. Now before proceeding into this video, make sure you check out the links of all the resources that are mentioned here down in the description box below. So without further delay, let's get straight into it. So first of all, you need to launch your VN Video Editor just like so. Then tap on the new project option, select video based and tap on the save option. After that, you need to tap on the video option in the top and select that particular video which is shaky. After selecting it, you need to press the next option in the bottom right hand corner of the screen, and as you can see over here that this video is now in our timeline. So once it is here, you need to just simply select our video, and over here you need to just swipe down and you need to tap on the speed option. Now over here you will see the original speed of this particular video, but you need to reduce the speed slightly, like around 0.75 to 0.5x. Slower speed can actually reduce the visual impact of the camera shake. You just have to tap on the check option after doing so and see if it is right now shaky or if anything has changed. Now you can also tap on the same clip and here you will see the trim option. So you can basically crop the sizing of your video. You can zoom in slightly with the help of your two fingers just like this, and this will help you remove any of the edge jitters. You can also use keyframes to adjust the position slowly and manually smooth out the shaky area. You can combine the slow zoom and the keyframes for a stabilizing effect. If you want to add transitions into it, you just have to simply scroll to the right hand side, and here you need to just try to find the option of transitions or animations, and you can provide more animations into it so that it could look good. So this is how you can basically stabilize your shaky video using VN Video Editor. If this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.